Hello everyone, our topic is restaurant innovation. The team member is Fengxiang and Dongyu. Our problem is less repeat customer. When we pass the data analysis, many food and beverage outlets will find that the proportion of old customer is very low, and the proportion of new passengers is very large. In fact, this is a dangerous signal, especially in the current pedestrian street. Because your business start from the beginning, there is no change and impact on the amount, but the loss of old customers show that you have done a lot of sales, and many customers have been taken away by others. The second reason is the change in the people's lifestyle. For myself, sometimes I can't go to the restaurant for various reasons. It may be because of time. It may be due to weather, or I'm too lazy. Our solution is design a takeaway platform about restaurants. As a service industry, the creating industry is very demanding on the popularity of users. And the smartphone users are the world's largest user population, while creating become the largest market for the creating industry. According to research from Stata, the US online food distribution market is likely to grow from nearly 17 billion in 2018 to more than 24 billion in 2023. This issue that is US takeaway market is promising. This picture is the current market share of the US takeaway platform. There is no such thing as a company in the US takeaway market that can occupy a large market share.
This is the competition advantage of our platform. Our delivery fee is flat, and you only need to pay a monthly fee to avoid our delivery fee. Yep, change the different delivery fee depending on the restaurant. Uber Eats is charged $4.99 per order. GroupCube provide takeaway service and requires your order amount to reach the minimum consumption. In addition, our takeaway takeaway provides real-time set updates, so customer can see where their food has arrived. Finally, choose a meal time is our specialty. For example, if you book a breakfast at 9 o'clock the next morning, our staff will deliver your breakfast on time. This is very useful to people's daily life. And about our business model relies on restaurant advertising fee and monthly customer fee. Restaurant can pay a advertising fee for our platform to advertise for them, and we will design some advertising space for them on the homepage. Uh, we we plan to promote the platform in Tempe in 2020. The next years expanded our use to the AZ. Strive to have our customers across the West Coast by 2025. And um, we need starting capital of $10,000 and uh, two $2,000 is used to promote our platform, and the $8,000 is used to product our product fee. And this is our team. Dongyu is the salesman, and Fengxiang is the platform design. That's all. Thank you.